Yeah, this what these boys do in Tennessee when they get some snow. They don't know how to act. The big boys with their toys. They don't know how to act. Look at them. All they lit up wheels. They got the pink, white, blue, purple, all kind of colors. Look at them. They just twirling, playing around in the lot. They don't got nothing else to do. Playing this snow. They don't get snow here. They ain't used to this. This is the first winter storm, the worst winter storm they had. And y'all see this snow. Us in Rochester or me from Chicago, we know this is nothing. They've been driving like crazy. We just pulled over to let the kids look at these trucks playing, big toy trucks playing in the snow like big kids. You know how they do. You know how you guys are. They having the ball. Just playing around. Funny. By the Hollywood Cinema. Look at this. They is close to them poles though. They playing. Came over here to show off. See them wheels.